In this video, let's see how to use the formulas here. I have entered some data for this tutorial. Now let me make some formatting there. I am left mouse button. I'm clicking on left mouse button on cell C3, keeping the left mouse button pressed and drag around until G. So it has selected all these rows. Now I have this fill color. I selected this. Now on to totals as well. I'll do the same thing. Click on it, select this area, click here. And now I want all these to be bordered cells. I'll select all borders. It's all bordered now. Now I will save this file. I'll select the desktop tutorial1.xls and save it. It's already there. I will going to replace it. Now I am done. Now to set the formulas, I wanted 12% of basic salary to be a fraudulent fund. So first thing what we need to do inserting formula is to press equals the cell D4, that is the base salary, multiplied by, I will put an open bracket and then 12 divided by 100. 12 divided by 100 is equal to the 12% multiplied by the base salary. So whenever we use brackets, the program Excel will evaluate the value within the bracket and then outside the bracket. First it will evaluate 12 by 100, that is 0.12, multiplied by the base salary, that's in the D4. Now I'll press enter button from my keyboard. It's calculated. So 12% of 5000 is 600. Now I need to copy this formula to all this area. So what I need to do is click on this cell, right click, copy, select this cells where I wanted to paste, and then right click, paste special, formulas. Okay, now it has pasted all. So now it's all calculating. Now you can observe this is the D4, the value in the D4 multiplied by the 12%. If you come here, it says D5. It automatically arranges, the Excel smartly manipulates for that particular row. So this is called the relative reference D5. So it relatively selects that particular cell and calculates it. Now we have understood a simple formula to multiply the values. Now let's go for the housing allowance similarly. So housing allowance must be around, say, 25% of the base salary. I'll select this, press equals first, and then D4 multiplied by open bracket 25 divided by 100. This must be 25% of the base salary is housing allowance. So it's coming to 1250. Now I'll again copy this, select these cells, paste special, formulas, and OK. Now it is calculated. Now we need to use one more formula here to sum up the total salary for this particular employee per month. This equals sum of, there is a sum function we are using now. Sum of, you can see number 1, number 2, so it can be a range. Sum of, I'll select D4 to E4 F4. So D4 to F4, it will sum up values from D4 D5 and D4 E4 F4. So it will take up all these values and sum it up. This is a sum function. Similarly, let's copy this and put it across. Paste special, formulas. So it has done it. Similarly, we need here the total salary of all these employees. That is base salary of all these employees. Now I'll select the sum. Then I'll select this range, close the bracket, enter. Similarly, I'll copy this, paste it across, paste special, formulas. Now you can see total base salary paid for all these employees is here. Then total PF is here, total housing allowance is here, and then the total gross paid for all these employees are here in this one. Let's mark it different. So this is how we use formulas.